In this video, I'm going to find a winning dropshipping product, make a store, make winning ads, and try to get my first sale to show you that it's possible to start today and make sales.
Let's see if we can keep this going, because this is going pretty crazy.
Jack he's the man. He's the man with the plan. Can't wait to see how it pans out.
We get a profit for day one of... I'm also going to get my business partner Kieran to rate the ads, rate the store, and give it a score out of 10.
Love this.
And also maybe give me some improvements. Starting dropshipping with a low budget requires a strategy to achieve this. First things first is finding the product. To do this, I'm going to use the Minia product research tool that I recently purchased and the Facebook ad library to find products that are already proven and making profit. I think I've just found the product. After spending around 30 minutes in total on both platforms, I found 3 products that I have shortlisted. So here are the 3 products. The first one is an LED light for your car for your mirror. The second one is a super bright LED torch, and the other one is that 3-in-1 emergency lantern, which I love. Check out this video. To do that, first I need to find the product cost and selling price. This is where I will use CJ Dropshipping, which is the supplier that I'll be using for the store. With this platform, I always find that has the lowest product cost, and the shipping times have always been good for me. I image searched all the products and found the total cost for each of the products and put them into the product criteria sheet. I always ship to the UK as it has better margins. Now I will check the selling price of the product on Amazon and use my own judgment to estimate a selling price for the product. Now I will bring them over to my product criteria sheet and give them a score out of 7. So now I'm going to go through and tick the boxes for the product criteria to see which one is suitable. As you can see, we have a clear winner here, which is the 3-in-1 lantern, which I expected already. Now that I've picked this product, it's time to make the website. To do this, I will use Shopify, which I'm sure you've heard of. If you haven't, it's hands down the best platform to make an online store and make your sales. If you click on the link in the description, you'll get a special offer to sign up to Shopify today, which will give you 3 days completely free, and then £1, €1, $1 for the first month of your Shopify plan to get selling. I use this every time that I open a new store to make sure that I'm getting the most out of my money. This keeps your costs low and makes sure that you can stay within that budget. Also remember that when your special offer does run out, 1 to 2 sales on your dropshipping store can cover that cost. The link for that special offer is in the description. Now I'm going to insert my email, start the free trial, and create my Shopify account. And then I'm going to sign up with my email to make my Shopify account. Now Shopify's getting building the store, and we're in. First things first, I'm going to add the product. Like add product, type in the name. And for this is going to be one of the most important things. I'm going to go for the angle that this is an emergency lantern for your house, for the car, for when you're out camping. This is for emergencies. The reason is it can charge your phone, it charges with solar power, it has a fan, and it also has that emergency light. I think this is a perfect angle. Angles are very important for your product. It can decide whether it's a failure or a success. I've just filled in all the details, added the images and the product selling price for my product, and that's the product section done. Now I need to start designing the product theme. To do this, I always visit the theme store and just pick the Sense theme. For me, it's always the best. While we're waiting for that theme to get added, now is the time where I will select my Shopify plan to make sure that I can keep my store going after the 3 days. To do this, I'll click on select a plan at the bottom right. And here is where you'll see that special offer that you've claimed before. And here you can choose any of the plans. For me, I'm always just going to choose the basic as it's what I'm going to use after the first month ends. So I'm going to select basic, I'm going to put in my card details here, and then I'm going to hit subscribe. And that's that all sorted. Let's get back to designing. Now, before I design the store, I need to actually understand why customers are buying this product. So I'm going to go into the reviews on Amazon and look to see if I can find out why, to make sure that I stick to it and drive it home. For me, I'm going to go for that emergency angle, as I've said before, as I think I can target the sort of fear aspect of why people should have this product. So 20 minutes later, the store is done, and I've even added some custom code in here to make sure that the store really pops. I really want to increase that conversion rate. I also added this sale ends countdown bar custom code, which again adds to that urgency. If you want to get that custom code, the link for that's in the description, but watch the rest of the video first. I want to show you making some sales with this product. Now with the store done, it's ready to set live. To do this, I need to remove the password from the store again, and to do this you have to have picked a plan, so make sure that that's done. Now that the store is set live, it's time to make sure that all the settings are sorted in terms of the billing, the payments, the shipping, and the domain, and also the policies. Make sure they're all done, ready to go. And I need to make sure to buy that domain. I can't tell you what the domain is, as people will try and get the store and take it down. So now that the website's done, I'm going to be ordering the product so that I can actually make the ads myself. Something that's different to other people in the space is I order the product in and create all the content myself for the product. So to get it quickly, I'm going to buy it with Amazon Prime. As you can see here, it's $17.99, so it should arrive tomorrow. So I'll be back tomorrow to show you the product. Then it's time to make the ads. So as I was working on my computer, I heard the door knock. And guys, here it is. Hold on. Product looks really cool. I need to charge it now, and then I'm going to make the ads for it. Now it's time to script some ads, and to do this I'm going to look at the reviews of the product and then put all the reviews into ChatGPT and ask it to give me a script out. I'm going to then use this as a basis and then make sure that I humanize the script to make sure that it is the way that I want it and targets that emergency angle that I want it to. I'm going to make 2 main scripts and then 3 hooks, which means in total I'll have 6 ads to test for the first test. With that now out of the way, I'm going to get filming ads with this product and I'll be right back. Right, so I've just got back there from making the ads for the product and I'm ready to get them into my editing software and start editing these ads. Right, I'm now in the editing software, editing these ads. Should take me about 2 hours. 2 hours later, I had all the ads in my editing software and ready to go. Here's a sneak peek. This camping lantern is my new best friend. It illuminates our entire surroundings with a super bright LED light. Includes a fold. But yeah, that's the ads ready to go. I'm going to render these 5 ads and they'll be ready to go on Facebook. So now it's time to make the Facebook page, connect the Facebook page to my Shopify account and get these ads up, ready to test them tonight. Let's see if we can get a sale. If you are interested to know on how I do test on a low budget, what I do is I have one ad set, and in that ad set I'll have 4 to 5 ads that I'm testing at around a £20 to £30 budget with broad targeting, and I'll just let it fly. Right, I'm with my business partner Kieran here and I'm going to get him to check out the website. Kieran, what do you think?
Overall it looks pretty good. The images are clean, very simple to see what the product's all about at a glance. Price looks decent, love this. The way it counts down adds that extra bit of urgency. Love this, absolutely love the gift. Think this should be up, to be honest. I think this should be the first section. But built-in power bank, really easy to understand what's going on here. Social proof, frequently asked questions. Think it's too good to be true. Love the money back guarantee. You know we love the money back guarantee, but also probably put free shipping in there, just to hammer home that they're getting that. And then obviously your reviews, pretty good. Great work, Jack.
Thanks very much. Right, will we get on to the ads?
Let's get on to the ads.
Right, give it a watch. Let me know what you think. This camping lantern is my new best friend. It illuminates our entire surroundings with a super bright LED light.
Right, just watched it. Very good ad. Very good, very clear. Very, very good ad.
Thank you very much, Kieran.
No problem at all. Thanks for having me.
Let's get back to the work, guys. If you haven't checked out Kieran, check him out. I'll set the ads live for midnight tonight, as I'm always a midnight type of person. And I'll catch back up with you tomorrow to see if we got a sale throughout the day on the store. This is what you've been waiting for, and let's see if we can do it. Well guys, it's now 2 o'clock the next day, and at 1:42 we got an order in for the emergency lantern. Just today, already. Let's hope we can get one more sale, and then we'll actually have a profitable day today on the first day. As you can see, here's the details, but I don't want to show the order number or the person's details, but I can assure you that an order was placed at 1:42 p.m. Right guys, so as you know, we already got that first sale. I'm going to show you some of the metrics so far on the Facebook ads so you can get an idea of what I'm sort of looking at, and I've also got that sale on there right now, so I want to show you that as well. So the time is currently 3 o'clock. So far in total, the ads today have spent £15. So we've got a purchase for $15.79, which is actually profitable for this product. The CPM right now is 26. The cost per click is £1.58, which is quite high, but we have a good click-through rate right here. The ad that actually got the sale was for 60p, so let's hope that keeps going well. The ROAS on that is 49. Let's hope these keep improving, and let's try and get one more sale. Right guys, I'm lying here. I was just editing a few TikToks and look what just came in. We have another sale on the store. Obviously I'm going to hide the store name, but another sale came in. Let's see if we can keep this going, because this is going pretty crazy. There it is. Let's go. What do you have to say about the sales, Kieran?
It's great. Jack he's the man. He's the man with the plan. I was going to try and rap there, but
Oh, God.
2 sales from 11 clicks. Can't wait to see how it pans out.
Same as me. Right. Cheers, Kieran. I'm going to be heading out right now, so I'll check back in with you in the morning to see if we have any more sales. Sale counter right now is 2. I'll check back in the morning and we'll work out the final profits. Right guys, it's now the day after the ads were running and I'll give you the final results. So the total sales for yesterday was £59.98, and that was coming from them 2 orders. So now let's work out how much profit we actually made today. So the product cost on CJ ended up being $11.27, which when converted onto the currency that I was using on my store is £876. And when we multiply that by 2 to get both of the products, it's £17.52. And then if we add on the ad spend of £30, that totals $47.52. And then if we take the revenue away from these total costs, we get a profit for day 1 of £12.46. at only a £30 ad spend. In conclusion, I really hope this video has helped you understand that you can actually make sales with dropshipping on day 1 and actually make a profit. The best part about this video is the store that I actually used in this video. I've got in the description as a pre-built store that you can download onto your store. You can download the product and you can also download the theme and that means all you have to do then is make the ads. Again, you could get a sample from somewhere like CJ Dropshipping. Thanks so much guys for watching the video. Again, use my Shopify link if you can below. Really helps me out and I'd appreciate that a lot. And I'm looking forward to see your comments. Let me know what you think. Are you going to be the person to take this product to big numbers? Maybe so.